Hello and welcome to a new episode of Learn English with Mr. Ben. Today we are going to see how we can use the conjunction and in a different way. So we are going to see 5 alternatives to and. So here we go. So the first alternative is as well as. Like, for example, Peter loves singing as well as dancing. Peter loves singing as well as dancing. The second alternative is furthermore. Furthermore. Like, for example, Sarah is a great singer. Sarah is a great singer. Furthermore, she can do magic tricks. She can do magic tricks. Alternative number 3. Two. T-O-O. Kevin is a Lady Gaga fan. He likes Rihanna too. He likes Rihanna too. Number 4. Also, Richard plays the piano. He is also learning the guitar. And we come to the last alternative, which is what's more. What's more? I've got all his music. What's more? I've seen him live 3 times. That's all for today. I hope this short lesson was useful and see you for another English lesson with Mr. Ben. Goodbye.